Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Merry Christmas Eve. So I know this is the time of the year where all the family gathers around the table. And if you're one of those people that invest in crypto, you're kind of like the ghoul of the family. You know, you're in the you finally decide to come out of the attic and they go, "Oh, Timmy, oh, is he gonna come? Is he gonna come down this year?" And he comes down, and everyone sits at the table and says, "Well, how's your little crypto coins doing there, Timmy?" And you're like, "They're fine. They're doing fine." So what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna give you some Bitcoin analysis. We're gonna show you how Bitcoin might be going into a Christmas rally because historically on Christmas, we haven't really had super bullish moves, but if we are in a halving year and we're in the 4-year halving cycle where we're in the bull zone of going into the halving years, because the halving years in the bull markets are a lot different than just a regular year. So there's a lot of data to show that we still have a lot of room to grow, and this is why I want to give you guys this bullish video for Christmas Eve and going into Christmas, and to show you how we might actually get to our targets before the end of the year and have a crazy Santa rally. So before we get into that, guys, make sure you guys are hitting the like button, hitting the subscribe button, dinging the bell to be notified, and you guys are doing all the things, doing the housekeeping of following the channel and making sure you guys are coming into the live streams that we do Monday through Friday, 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. All right, so let's get into what is happening with Bitcoin right now. So we are getting a bit of a Santa rally. The sleigh's coming in. I think Chris Kringle might actually give us some momentum. And so what we're doing right now is we're bouncing off of some key levels. We have established some key support at 92,000. So now that we're in this different market structure of Bitcoin, we are establishing a pretty decent range of 92,000. And it's just historically, when we get down to those levels, people don't even want to check the portfolio. They're like, haven't checked my crypto portfolio, which means the crash is, it's not happening. But guys, it happened. Basically Bitcoin went down into these levels, max pain. And so we're hoping that was maybe the last stop in the carnage of Bitcoin getting into those levels, because the next level that we were going to be looking at was a key level, another key level of resistance, or actually support, at 88,000. So if we were going to go any lower, guys, that would have been the level that would have hit at 88,000. And so now that we've actually established some great support at 92, then this could be the great bounce level. We could be getting a kind of an inverse cat head, little inverse Bart Simpson that could bring us back up to those levels of 108,000. We can hit the Bollinger Band if we're looking at the daily. The daily is showing us that we could get a possible band back up into at least 104,000, and we're shooting for that level of 120,000 before the end of the year, but we really were calling for 150,000 before the end of the year. We were actually calling it on Christmas, but I don't know if we're going to get that mark, but maybe, just maybe, guys, we will get into it for the end of the year before the year closes. And I'm sure you guys also feeling like this whenever you had an opportunity to take profits. You're chilling in your crypto bro's car, and so when your friend starts driving at 150 miles per hour and says, "I should have sold, bro. I should have taken profits." So this is how we were feeling in some of our trades this past weekend. But honestly, guys, we did recover. We still have some of our bullish trades open, like the sand trade for the sandbox. We have our Doge trade open for Dogecoin, Solana, our Pepe trade, and also Bitcoin. And also we have a really super bullish Brett trade open, because we know that Brett is going to be one of the most popular, successful meme coins in this bull run because of the nature of the base chain, Coinbase's layer 2, and this is one of the most popular meme coins that is on that chain. So we're in that trade as well. So if you guys want to trade any of the volatility right now and the momentum in this market, make sure you guys are using all the links in the description. This is PHEMEX, and then we also have trades open on COINFLARE. Make sure you guys are using all of those links in the description. You guys get nice, fat, juicy bonuses for using those links in the description, and it also helps directly support the channel, and it keeps the lights on in the studio. But guys, the thing that we want to keep in mind here is some very important metrics of what has happened in the previous halving years and also after the election. We've had basically a major tick up in momentum. So now that we're actually past the election, we're in December, we know what happened, we have the results. Trump is going to be inaugurated January 20th. So as you can see here that we've had normally after those election years and the halving, we have a banana zone ticking up, and then we usually get to a point of getting overbought, and then we go into a bit of a bear market. And so this is what is playing out right now, but we haven't hit that peak portion of the market yet, guys. We haven't hit that peak price where I think we're going to be going into about the average peak of is about 500 days after the halving. So we're only about 300 days after the halving. So this is key to keep in mind for how you're going to think about the prices of your altcoins and your whole portfolio in the next 6 months, because I think going into next year is where we're going to see the peak prices. And we're seeing it right now, that possible with this rally of Bitcoin getting back up into these levels. We're getting back up into 100K, and we're getting the altcoins are starting to surge back up. We're getting altcoins starting to pick up some momentum again, whether it be with AI, gaming, the memes. Basically, the three narratives that we know are the most popular right now are the memes, AI, gaming, DeFi. Polkadot has been really getting a lot of PR here in terms of coin market cap. Been seeing a lot of Polkadot 2.0. Polkadot is actually the only one of these coins that actually has a really cool GIF animation that is on its token. So I don't know if that's coin market cap telling us, hey, maybe you should scoop up some dot. But yeah, we are keeping up with a lot of these things, keeping up with the momentums, and the strongest narrative is being that it is AI, crypto, gaming, and the memes. And so what we're doing right now is we're trying to trade back up our portfolio. It did get swamped a little bit. We told you guys, we definitely got swamped with some of that volatility, but we definitely went back in. We're not going to give up, and we're going to make sure that we make some of that money back, and also keep our trades protected with some of the trades that we have open right now on COINFLARE and on PHEMEX. And then also, if you're wanting to also build up a spot bag of memes, because I know you guys are also really bullish on the memes, you can use OURBIT. So OURBIT is my exchange that I go to for bullish memes, and you can see that actually we have become a affiliate partner with OURBIT. So make sure you guys are using the link in the description to build up your meme spot bag, and also you can trade perpetuals on this exchange as well, and you get a nice fat juicy bonus with using that link. And so just to remind you guys that we are, obviously, it's Christmas Eve. We are going into this season with some bullish sentiment with the pro crypto administration. We got pro SEC chairman. We have basically across the board a pro crypto administration that is going to loosen the grip of the Operation Choke Point that has been happening, that has just stifled the crypto innovation in America. So can we see a mega bullish momentum going into tomorrow for a Santa rally? Well, guys, we just have to wait and see. But if you want to take advantage of these opportunities and trade the markets, whether you think they're going up or down, make sure you guys are using all the links in the description. It helps directly support the channel, and it would be a cool Merry Christmas present to me that you guys are trading. You mega whales are trading on my links, and want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, and hope you get chance to hang out with your families and get some downtime and reflect also on how the year has gone for you, maybe how you can learn from some of the mistakes that you maybe have made, and also know and take note of where you did really well this year. That's also really important. So maybe this time, if you have a moment to kind of step away and step away from the family berating you about and asking you about crypto and how your coins are doing and if they should invest or if it's too late, if they're buying Bitcoin at the top. Just analyze where you've had your successes and also where you've had your failures, and you can kind of basically get a good game plan going into this next year, and how you can really maximize your portfolio and go into this bull run feeling the best and the most successful that you've ever felt in your entire life. I want you guys to feel like that. I know you're going to feel like that. We're going to feel like that on this channel. And we hope to see you on the live streams. And Merry Christmas. Peace out, guys.